again, and today I'm going to be making some biscuits. I decided to do some shortbread biscuits, and these are a WW recipe and they are 2 points on all of their new plans. So here we go. We're going to make 32 biscuits, hopefully, fingers crossed. First of all, I've got a large mixing bowl and I'm going to add 75 grams of caster sugar and 175 grams of low fat spread or marge, and we are going to cream these together with my electric whisk. That's working. Right, here we go then. There's that done, nice and easy. And then we are going to add 1 egg and we're going to whisk that in as well. There we go. And then we're going to sift in 300 grams of plain flour. And with that we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. There we go. And give that a mix round. And there we go, it's gone into a dough. It's all stuck on there, so let's get that off. Now all we need to do is to wrap this in cling film. Now that's wrapped, we're going to put this in the freezer for half an hour. So that's in the freezer for half an hour. Okay, so we've been in the freezer for half an hour. So let's get this out. So first of all, we're going to split this in two. We'll work from 2 halves. So I'm going to flour the surface. And we're going to take half and then we're going to roll it out into a square. Ish. So we're doing 32 altogether, so in this half I need 16. I've decided to go with a love heart shaped cutter. I don't know how big this is, but this should maybe give you some idea. So let's try and get 16 out of this. Well, there's one, and this is going onto a lined baking tray. Okay, so I managed to get 18 out of that one. Let's see what I get out of the other half. Okay, I managed to get 17 out of that one, so I think I rolled it a bit too thin. But anyway, here we go. We're going to put it in the oven at 190 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and they're just starting to brown. So I'm going to get these onto a wire rack and hopefully they're still soft when they cool down. Okay, so the biscuits are done. Some of them are a bit of a strange shape, they didn't hold, but hey, here we go. This is what we've got. Let's give it a crack. They're still a little bit soft, but let's give it the taste. Shortbread. See you later.